it's so wet. What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. It's a lovely day. It's a bit hot, but it's still a lovely day. So I'm guessing from the title of the video you guys know what this video is about. I have dreads. I just washed them. Firstly, I want to thank all the subscribers I have, new, old, anybody that's on the other side of this lens looking at this face. Bruh. Much appreciated. So let's talk about my hair. So if you're new to my channel, I'm usually walking with my camera in my hand, vlogging via that way. I hope this goes smooth and we have an awesome video at the end of it. Again, if you haven't already, you can subscribe. There's a link in the description. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button, the thumbs up button, the thumbs down button, the share, retweet, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, any one of those buttons, just go ahead and click them till your heart's content. This video is long overdue. I've had them for about 5 months now, and yeah, so I should have made this video back then, but I didn't. Everybody's dread's different, so everybody's video is different. So that's what I thought, and that's why I decided, I had some time today and decided I'm just gonna wash my hair and make my video. What kind of dreads do I have? I don't really know. I have a loctician, so she does my hair. If you guys can see, my hair is interlocked, and I have a loctician and she interlocks my hair. I know there's other methods like palm rolling or back wrapping, back combing, or something like that. I interlock my hair, so I don't really know what type of dreads I have. I don't know. Maybe I have a high top fade, and so I have a high top dreads, I guess, because I used to have a high top and then I just got dreads, so the sides of my head are shaved. You guys can see. So that's the type of dreads I have. I have manicured high top dread, maybe. How long have I had my dreads? As I said, this video is long overdue, so I've had my dreads for 5 to 6 months now. I interlocked them on January 12th, 2016. Today is July something. Yeah. So I've been quite a while. I've only re-interlocked. I've only re-interlocked my hair once since I got them interlocked the first time. So I think I'm due for an appointment. I have to call my loctician and see what she says. I'll probably make more vids of my hair. Create a whole playlist. I don't know. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. I can make videos of me just playing in my hair like this. That's very entertaining, isn't it? I guess this is like this video is kind of like a Q&A type video, but I'm the one asking my own questions. But yeah, questions are answers. I'll answer my own questions. It's whatever. So why did I get dreads? I don't know. Frankly, I just got them because I was in the mood to get them. There's no real reason behind doing what I do sometimes. As I said, I had a high top fade, looking like this guy and this guy. Do you see that? This guy and this guy. There should be pictures on the screen somewhere. I liked how they looked, so I just went ahead and got them done. That's the beginning of my story, I guess. I can't really think of questions to ask myself about my hair. So if you guys have any questions about my hair, just let me know and I'll make another Q&A type video and answer those questions. But I think I'm due another. I am due an appointment with my loctician. So I'll probably make a vid of me getting my hair interlocked, show you guys how I get mine done, because as I said, everybody's hair is different and everybody's journey is different, and this is just me documenting my journey for the future. If I want to look back, if I ever decide to trim, or if if I ever decide to cut my hair or not. You guys didn't see the close up. Here's my hair. I don't really know how long they are, but, and I don't know how many dreads I have. I haven't counted them. But that's this video. I'm WannabeMatt. Follow me on the socials. Subscribe, like, watch my other videos, watch my future videos, and let me know what you guys wanna see. I'm going to try some other type of videos. So WannabeMatt, subscribe, like. I'm out. Don't forget, it's a lovely day. What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt.